How to get free Robux every month? It's true. Today I'm going to show you a completely free way to get an extra 400 to 800 Robux every month added to your balance. I've been using this method for several years and it's really easy to get into the swing of, no matter how old you are. And if you find this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel. That would really help me out. As you can see, we can get 400, 800, and even 1,000 Robux here just by saving up points. But how do you save up these points? To get started with this method, go to rewards.bing.com and sign into a Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can make one for completely free. To get $5 in Robux, we're going to need 6,000 points. To start earning those points, go to bing.com, make sure you're signed into the same account you went to rewards with, and click this icon. When you get started on this website, you're only going to be able to earn 50 points daily, but don't worry, you can level this up quite quickly. To get your 50 points daily, you just need to make 50 searches. If that seems like a little too much, there's also faster ways you can do it. For instance, look at all of these offers on the sidebar. This is to speed up the way you get your points. This one says, feeling symptoms? Search on Bing for a health condition to learn about the symptoms. So I click this one to activate it. I open a new Bing search and I literally search health condition. And just doing this works. It gives you the 10 points. It's very, very quick. Using these methods, you can be done with your point collection for the day within a few minutes. Now, 50 points doesn't seem like a lot. Well, it's true, but get this. When you earn your first 500 points within a month, aka 10 days of collecting the full 50 points, you will be upgraded to level 2. And from there, you're able to earn 250 points a day. So let's do a little bit of math here. If there's 30 days in a month and you collect 250 points every day, you're going to be pulling 7,500 points every month. With $5 Robux cards being 6,000 points, you can get a minimum of $5 worth of Robux every single month. And obviously there's some leftover points too. So if you keep doing this for a few months, you'll even have a few months where you're able to grab a $10 card instead. It is absolutely the best, most reliable way to get Robux by spending tops 5 minutes every single day. I really hope you enjoy this. Let me know your successes in the comments and how many Robux you've been able to pull by using this. And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much.